Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to solve a quadratic function using the method completing the square. And this is the third video in my series, so if you just came across this video, make sure to watch that last too. So we are going to use completing the square to solve a quadratic function. Now, completing the square is quite literal because in order to solve the quadratic function, you are literally completing the square. So we're using our example x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Now, I've used this example for all of the videos, so it is very simple. So basically, you're going to have to add b over 2 squared to both sides. That way you're completing the square because you are dividing it by 2 and then you are squaring it to make the square whole again. So you add negative 2 over 2 squared. And then to this side you add negative 2 over 2 squared. So just to make things clear, you want to add b over 2 squared to both sides. So negative 2 divided by 2 squared is 1 squared, which is still 1. So you get x squared minus 2x equals to 4. Now I did forget to do a step, which you add 3 to both sides, and then you want to add the 4. This is probably the most important step in the beginning, so you could be simplified. So at this step, it is very simple because you want to find the x value that could square it to equal to 4. That would obviously be 1 because you want to multiply to 1 and you want to plus to negative 2. So it would be negative 1 because negative 1 times negative 1 is 1 and negative 1 minus negative 1 is negative 2. So you get x minus 1 times x minus 1 equals to 4. Now there's obviously a way to simplify that into x minus 1 squared equals to 4. So now it is almost like completing the square because all you want to do is square root both sides. You get x minus 1 equals plus or minus 2. And then you add 1. So it's almost exactly like square roots at this step. So you get x equals 1 plus or minus 2. So your two solutions are x equals 3 and x equals negative 1. Like all my other videos I've mentioned, you could just plug in the x value into the original equation or function to get your answer. So thanks for watching this video, and remember to look for the next video, which is solving a quadratic function using the quadratic formula.